Happy Friday, everyone. This is Mrs. Magarin, and I am here to finish the M&M's Counting book that we've been working on all week. I've really enjoyed doing this with you guys, and I hope you have been too. Here, we're going to go ahead and look at, yesterday we worked on those shapes. Today, we're going to go ahead and move on to our next lesson. Okay, and so today, we're going to start off right here. Okay, right there. Now comes the part that will be the most fun. We'll start to subtract. Subtract, that means take away. Okay, so eat the blue one. Oh my goodness, don't tell me to eat things. Oh no. Okay, so remember, I don't have the same colors. I'm just using whatever it is that I have at home. And so I have these left over right here. And so when it tells me a color, I'm just gonna eat one of them. Now, if you have the colors at home, feel free to eat them, okay? So I'm gonna put this down so you can see, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and continue reading the book, but every time it tells me to eat one, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on this plate over here because I'm gonna eat them later because I don't want you to hear me eating, okay? So it says I need to start off with 12. So before I even take away and eat one, I need to go ahead and make sure that I have my 12. So let's go ahead and make that diagonal line that they have on there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, I think I can fit one in here, 12 right there. So I have 12 M&Ms, okay? And then it says eat the blue one. I'm just gonna pretend this is a blue one. I'm gonna take this one off and I'm gonna put it right there, okay? So now I'm gonna go on to the next page and it says count and you'll find you now have 11. Let's see if that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is right. I do have 11. I had 12, took away 1, and I now have 11. Okay, next it says eat the brown. Go on, eat all the brown. Oh my goodness, I have to pretend, looking at this picture, that I have 7 brown. Okay, it says eat all 7. So I'm going to go ahead and I have 11 right here, and I'm going to eat 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my goodness, I had 11. I ate 7, and now how many do I have? Let's see if it's correct over here looking at my number sentence. 11, take away 7, gives you the same as 4. Let's double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, that is so true. Now you have 4 left. Yep, we confirmed it. So please eat the green, okay? And when I eat the green, I'm gonna go ahead and pretend that, or on the green, it's 1 left. Okay, so it says 4, take away 1. I'm gonna take off that green one, okay? So now, if I had 4 and I took away 1, I have 1, 2, 3 left. Even if I had my hands and I was using that and I had 4 and I took away 1, that would be 3 left, okay? Now the orange, red, and yellow can still be seen, so I'm pretending that these are those colors that they're saying. Again, if you have them at home, perfect, and if you do not, just use whatever it is that you have. Next, eat the orange one, and after you do, how many are left? So I have 3, I'm gonna eat the pretend orange, put it over there. Now I have, let's see, how many do we have? 1, 2. Oh dear, only 2. 3, take away 1, left me 2. And we've confirmed that. Now it says eat the yellow. It's second to last. That yellow pretend. Counting like this makes time fly by so fast. So I had 2 and I took away 1. Now I have 1 left. How many are left? You're right, only 1. Eat the red that is last. Okay, pretend eat the red. Now you are done. So we had 1 and we took that one away. How many do we have left? 0, that's right. When none are left, it means there are 0. You've reached the end. You're the grand champion hero. You've done a great job, and we're so proud of you. To help you remember, here's your review. So we looked at our colors. So we had blue, green, brown, orange, yellow, red. We had some shapes. So we had a square, which has 4 sides and 4 vertices or 4 corners. Then we had a triangle, which had 3 sides and 3 vertices or corners. And then we had our circle, which has no sides. It's round and circular with no corners. Okay, it's just round. All right, and then we did our numbers. So let's go ahead, and we counted a whole lot on that Monday. You remember we had all these. We had 161 M&Ms total. Okay, but when we did our lessons with our M&Ms, we went ahead and just looked at some numbers. Okay, so we started off with 1. Count with me up to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. And let's see if you remember, what is 12? That is 1 set, and there's also another word when we have a set of 12. Who remembers what that is? A dozen. I think I heard somebody say that. Was that you or was it you? I can't hear where it came from. But yes, it's the dozen. 1 dozen is the same as 12. Good job. Okay, and then we had the set of 12. And so we broke up 12 into different ways of making them. We had 1 set of 12. That means 12 ones. We had 2 sets over here. 2 sets of 6 made 12. We had 3 sets of 4 that made 12. We had 4 sets of 3. Yes. Yep, 4 sets of 3 that made 12. And then we had 6 sets of 2 that made 12. So those are all different ways that we use those numbers. Now you can do this. Our book has come to an end. But you can do something like this very similar with anything that it is that you want, with other types of candies or tokens or anything else that you may have. And you don't have to work up to the number 12 or a dozen. You can do other numbers like maybe 10 or maybe even 5. Maybe you have 5 toy cars that you want to make, and you can break those up into different things, and you take away 1, now you have 4 left. And then you had 2, and then you put 2 more. How many do you have now? 4. So you can do a lot of those things with anything that you may have, and you can use up to different numbers. Okay, so I enjoyed doing this with you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you haven't gotten to watch all of them, it's okay. You can start off at the beginning and then go to the end, or if you want, there was a certain one that you enjoyed the most, then you can do that one again if you'd like. Okay, I hope that you continue learning at home and you're doing your math as always. And remember, Mrs. Magarin loves you and all the kinder teachers love you. Okay, we'll see ya. Bye.